What's up, guys? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a beautiful 2012 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Iron. It's got a beautiful, vibrant red paint. Big attention grabber, a lot of nice metal flake in it as well. It's got the 883cc fuel injected V-twin with the 5-speed transmission. It's got forward controls for a sportier ride. These are the factory pipes, but they've had the baffles removed, so it's got a nice little sound to it. Retains the factory look though. Set up for a solo rider. It's got a solo seat, no passenger seat or pegs. Not that you couldn't get those on there, but how it is now, it's set up for a solo rider. It's got a nice wheel on the front, single disc brake, it really shows it off. Still plenty of stopping power. It's not a real heavy bike. Low mileage, under 5,000. It's got good tires on it. Got the blacked out forks. One little spot missing paint on the fork leg. Pretty minor. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and we give it a professional detail. Good tire on the rear. It's got a very small, maybe a centimeter or two scratch right on the gas tank. Other than that, the bike's in excellent condition, well kept. It's got factory security even. 4,160 miles. It's a nice bike right here, good looking paint. It's a good beginner bike if you're looking to get on a Harley. Make a ton of accessories for them. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team at 817-985-8888, or you can check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. See our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.